Ever feel like your website is just lost in the vast ocean of the internet?
Yeah.
Like no matter what you do, it just doesn't show up on search engines?
Oh, absolutely. It's like shouting into the void sometimes. So what's the magic trick to, fix that?
Well, have you heard about the SEO system? It's like a game changer for getting your site noticed.
The SEO system? What's so
Yeah.
special about it?
So it's this all-in-one tool that makes SEO super accessible. You don't have to be an expert to use it.
That's interesting. I mean, SEO can be pretty intimidating for newcomers.
Exactly. And the thing is, SEO is more important
Right.
now than ever. With so much competition online, if you're not optimizing, you're basically invisible.
Yeah, especially since most online experiences start with a search engine.
Precisely. And get this, 68% of online experiences begin with a search engine, and websites on the first page of Google get 92% of all traffic. That's massive.
Wow, that's huge. So how does the SEO system help with that?
Well, it does a precision analysis of your website's structure and content. It uncovers hidden issues like slow loading pages and bad URLs.
So it's like a health check for your website?
Exactly. And it gives you personalized keyword recommendations. Not just generic stuff, but tailored to your niche.
Right.
So you're reaching the right audience.
That sounds super helpful. But isn't SEO also about backlinks and on-page optimization?
Absolutely, and the SEO system provides a comprehensive roadmap for that too.
Oh,
It
nice.
guides you step by step on improving metadata, internal links, and even your backlink strategy.
Tools I've tried before get outdated quickly. How does this one keep up?
Great question. It dynamically adapts to SEO algorithm changes, so you're always a step ahead of the game.
That's reassuring. But is it user-friendly? I mean, for someone who's not tech-savvy?
Oh, totally. It has a super intuitive dashboard. Even
Yeah.
if you're new to SEO, you can navigate it easily.
Sounds almost too good to be true.
Well,
Is there a catch?
honestly, I thought the same thing, but then I saw the practical benefits.
Like what?
For starters, it helps you unlock hidden keyword opportunities, those long-tail keywords that competitors miss.
Okay, that could definitely give an edge. And what about content creation?
It enables you to create content that not only captures attention, but also converts, all based on data-driven recommendations.
Nice. Improving website performance is also crucial. Does it assist with that?
Yes, by following its recommendations, your site becomes faster and more reliable,
Right.
which is great for both SEO and user experience.
You mentioned long-term success earlier. How does it ensure that?
Well, SEO isn't a one-time thing.
True.
The SEO system provides ongoing insights and updates, so your site stays optimized as algorithms evolve.
That's pretty comprehensive. But with current trends like voice search and AI, is it up to date?
Absolutely. It's designed to handle emerging trends like voice search, mobile-first indexing, and AI-driven algorithms.
Okay.
It keeps you ahead of the curve.
But wait, aren't there other tools that do similar things?
Well, yes and no. Most tools charge hefty monthly fees.
Right.
The SEO system offers lifetime access for just $47.
Wait, seriously? One-time payment?
Yep. No recurring fees.
Wow.
Plus, it comes with some exclusive bonuses.
Bonuses like what?
For starters, unlimited AI videos creation, you can
No
make
way.
stunning content in minutes.
That's awesome. What else?
You also get AI hidden knowledge to uncover AI secrets. Prompt Gold Miner for mastering AI prompts. Persona AI for developing realistic AI personas. And content frameworks with 30 plug-and-play ChatGPT templates.
That's a lot. Okay, that sounds like an incredible deal. But I'm a bit skeptical about the effectiveness. Do you have any success stories?
Actually, yes. Users have reported dramatic improvements.
Really?
One user said it transformed their website overnight and got them to page 1 on Google.
That's impressive.
I know, right? And others praised how easy it is to use and how valuable the bonuses are.
You've convinced me it's worth considering. But, what if I already have an SEO strategy in place?
Even better, the SEO system can enhance what you're already doing.
Okay.
It provides deeper insights and keeps you updated with algorithm changes.
I was thinking, couldn't I find free tools that offer similar features?
Well, free tools often have limited capabilities and don't provide the comprehensive, adaptive features that the SEO system does.
True.
Plus, time is money, and this saves you a lot of it.
That's a fair point. So how do I get started?
It's simple. You purchase through their link, and you'll get immediate access along with the bonuses.
Nice. All right, I'm in. Any final thoughts?
Just that opportunities like this don't wait. With
Yeah.
the SEO system, you can transform your website and business starting today.
Sounds like a plan. Thanks for sharing all this.
Anytime. Can't wait to hear about your success.